Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to get thick legs in Roblox. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to roblox.com. Once on Roblox, select Marketplace on the upper left. In here, head on over to the left corner and then on Category, select Characters. Once you are here, scroll down. And then in here, select Skylar. Once Skylar loads, select the button that says Buy and then tap on Get Now. In the pop-up, select Continue. Now in the left corner, select the three horizontal lines in the upper left and then go to your avatar over at Roblox. Over at Avatar Editor, this time select Head and Body. And then in here, select left legs or right legs. Then the next step is to scroll down and then search for Skylar's legs. In here, if you select the selection saying left legs, you'll be able to choose the legs available over here. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.